Namaste. Myself JVN Professor K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Subject Pedagogy of Biology, and we will discuss our next topic, that is the writing behavioral objectives. A behavioral objective is a learning outcome stated in the measurable term which gives direction to the learner's experience and become the basis for student evaluation. Objectives may vary in many respects. They may be general or specific, concrete or abstract, cognitive, affective or psychomotor. Cognitive objective emphasize intellectual outcomes such as knowledge, understanding and thinking skill. Affective objective emphasize feeling and emotion such as interest, values, attitude, appreciation and the method of adjustment. Psychomotor objectives emphasize motor skills such as physical assessment skills and administration of chemotherapy. Points in which behavior in writing the behavioral objective. First point is the begin each behavioral objective with a verb. The critical aspect of any behavioral objective is the verb selected to indicate expected behavior from learning activities. Second, state each objective in terms of learner performance. A behavioral objective is the one that is considered to be observable and measurable. Behavior is generally construed to be an action of an individual that can be seen, felt or heard by another person. Number 3, state each objective so that it include only one general learning outcome. Examples of the objective. At the graduate level, it is expected that learning objectives will be general, abstract, cognitive or affective. Example of appropriate objectives for graduate students are as follow. Cognitive, create an assessment tool based on the theory. Cognitive, evaluate the usefulness of the research in the practices. Third, affective, accept professional responsibility for change in a problematic situation. Behavioral objectives written in cognitive domain can be further divided into 6 level of Bloom taxonomy. Bloom taxonomy includes the knowledge, remembering of previously learned material, a recall, a bringing to the mind. Second, comprehension, grasping the meaning of material, interpreting, predicting outcome and the effects. Third is the application, ability to use learned material in a new situation, apply rules, law, methods and theories. Analysis, breaking down into parts, understanding, organization, clarifying, concluding. Synthesis, ability to put parts together to form a new whole. Unique communication, set of abstract relation. And evaluation, ability to judge value for purpose based on criteria, support judgment with the reason. There should be no guessing. These are the objectives writing in a behavioral term or writing behavioral objectives. This is all about this topic. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.